Hi, this is the Singapore Cambridge GCE O-Level Mathematics Examination for the year 2011. Now today we're going to look at paper number 1 and go through question 14. So in this question we have ABCD, which is a cyclic quadrilateral. So a cyclic quadrilateral refers to any quadrilateral that lies within the circle with all 4 points touching any point of the circumference. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. I'm going to highlight this. This is part over here. This is the cyclic quadrilateral. So when produced, the lines CB and DA meet at M, and the lines BA and CD meet at N. Angle DMC is equal to 28 degrees and angle BNC is 22 degrees. So I'm given that angle BCD is x degrees, and I have to find an expression for angle MDC. I'm going to get these first. Now I have to find triangle MDC for A part 1. Seems simple enough. Angle MDC is 180 degrees minus x minus 28 degrees, with the reason being sum of angles in a triangle. The sum of any interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. And they want you to find an expression in terms of x. So we'll just calculate 180 minus 28, which is 152 minus x degrees. And this is my answer. Seems pretty simple so far. I'll indicate this as 152 minus x degrees. Great. Now part 2 wants you to find angle NBC. So NBC is over here. Also seems simple. I will use the same property, sum of angles in a triangle, to help me find angle NBC, which is 180 degrees minus x degrees minus 22 degrees for the same reason. So 180 minus 22 would be 158 minus x degrees. And this is part 2. Now we have to use our answers to part A to find the value of x. So I have angle MDC and I have angle NBC. I'm going to indicate that this is 158 minus x degrees. So the angle property in the circle that we can use in this case is angles in opposite segments. So what I'm referring to here is this line that I'm about to draw. Grab on my ruler. Try to angle it. So, okay. Now what I'm referring to over here is this chord over here, AC, which divides the circle into 2. So in this part we have a segment, and then we have another segment. This means that angle MDC and triangle NBC are angles in opposite segments, as pictured over here. So we can use this property by angles in opposite segments. I have 152 minus x plus 158 minus x, which is 180 degrees. This is the sum of angles in opposite segments, which is 180 degrees. So it'll look something like this. I can transfer 152 and 158 to the other side. So on one side I'll be left with x. So I have minus 2x. Other side I have negative 130. I'll multiply both sides by negative half. And eventually I'll have this value of x, which is 65. And this is question 14 of the 2011 paper.